Hi, my name is Doc Chelle. Thank you for coming to Dr. Test Prep. Right now, we're focusing on helping you be the best that you can be on the PSAT and SAT. In this series, we are looking at Khan Academy Unit 4, Lesson 12, Exponential Graphs. In my book, we're on page 80. If you don't have a book, just follow along with paper and pencil or however you take notes. All right, in this case, we don't need the Desmos calculator just because I already embedded the graphs for you. Which is true of the graph y equals 4 times 0.68 to the x minus 3. All right, I'm going to be a math teacher just for a little bit because, I'm a math teacher in real life. Y equals 4 times 0.68 to the x minus 3. Let me talk about what each of these things mean. This right here is our starting value. Kind of. Well, maybe I won't talk about it. It's the starting value, but with the awareness that it's going to be 3 lower because of that minus 3. This 0.68 is our rate of change. In this case, we know that this exponential function has exponential decay, and we can tell that it's going to bottom out at an asymptote of -3, or wherever it feels like putting our dots, right? So let's take a look at this. As the x increases, so as we move in this direction, the y, as x increases, the y decreases faster. Well, that's not what this picture is, so we know that it's not choice A. As x increases, the y values go down at a decreasing rate. That most likely is the correct answer, but you know me, I like us to try all of them. As x increases, letter C, the y values increase at an increasing rate. Nope. And then it says, or the y values decrease or increase at a decreasing rate. And that's not true either. Okay, so the correct answer for this is choice B. All right, let's move on to number 2. The graph of y equals 7 times 0.5 to the x is shown. Based on this graph, which of the following? So as x goes up one spot, and this is kind of tricky. I made it different on purpose because I wanted you to see where all of these were. So I'm going to put this line here and hopefully it'll be put in the right spot. Okay, so if, for example, here, it's possible that we could maybe say it's in half, but it's not true down here because it ends up kind of disappearing. So this isn't true. These things that say decreases by 0.5 or by 7, these relate more to linear functions and not exponential functions. So really, we should have eliminated it right away. Remember, with exponential functions, we're always multiplying. So we're either multiplying by a decimal or a whole number. Okay. In this case, 0.5 shows us that it's going down in halves. If it was doubles, it would be an exponential growth function that wouldn't move on your page. Okay, so the answer to number 2 is C. The graph of y equals 4 to the 2.5 is shown at the right. Which characteristic of the graph is displayed as a constant or coefficient in the equation? All right, well, here we have 4, and here we have a 4. So what is, man, let's see if I put it up here, what it'll do. There we have a 4. Hey! So basically speaking, what is this value? Well, the x-intercept is over here, so it's not A. The slope, we need 2 points, so it's not C. The number y approaches as x becomes very large. That would be like if it had an asymptote here, which it doesn't. So it is the y-intercept. All right, in our next video, we are going to go over harder examples. I'll see you soon. Bye.